Greetings everybody and welcome. I'm GreyMatter. This is GreyMatter Media. Thank you everybody for watching. Today we're going to be making an Elgato Keylight Lightbox, but we're going to be making a DIY. Honestly, it's not as insane as it sounds. Most of these items that you're going to need are in your own home. Off the top of the head, no particular order. You're going to need tinfoil, hot glue gun or super glue, scissors, also an item or material to diffuse the light, i.e. probably like some garbage bags or thin plastic, maybe parchment paper if you can get it to stick. You're also going to need your lights, the box, and something to secure it to the wall. Something like Velcro, or maybe making little tubes out of cardboard to attach it to a stand. We already have all of our materials set up and ready to go, so why don't we move over there now? Thank you. Here we are at our workstation. You really gotta make sure you get the hot glue down. Now we're going to put the tin foil. Make a nice base. Now we move to the edges. Now we're going to lay the lights. What I like to do is lay it down flat, and then as we get to the edge, give it a little twist so we can keep it going, and then also we get a lot of reflection. I'll show you a close-up after this is all done. Alright, here's your close-up. As you can see, as I got to the edge, I gave him a nice twist and just set it on the side and came right back down. Just did that over and over again. Now we're going to add a little bit of extra hot glue to make sure they're nice and secure. I was able to find these lights for $30 at Costco, but you can find similar ones at Lowe's. You can sync them with your phone using Wi-Fi. Also, you can control the brightness and all the other settings from the app. Okay, now we are going to add our diffuser. All I'm using is some packaging foam and a bunch of Scotch tape. You want to make sure you make it as tight as possible to make sure the light is perfectly diffused. For anyone who's curious, I'm streaming on most platforms, including Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube. Please follow me. My @ is usually GreyMatter Media. I stream on Fridays. I would love to chat, say hi, come and hang out. That's the Velcro I'm going to use to secure it to the wall. Now we're going to plug it in. All right. Back to mission control. Hello everybody. Welcome back from creating our Lightbox. I have it put up on the wall now. I used my Velcro. Just put it right on the back with the adhesive. Took the other adhesive and just put it right on the wall. And when I want to, I just pull it off hard enough and it'll come right off. And like I said, it's connected to my phone with this app. It was $30 for these lights. Super simple. All you need to do is just up and down. Look. And it dims it perfectly fine. 100%. Also, color changing. Ooh, now I'm all purple. Purpley. It's so cool. There's effects and everything that you can cycle through. It's quite neat. Christmas time. It's Christmas. Alright. Thank you so much. I'm glad I could help. I hope this helped anybody. Please like and subscribe. Please share the video. Please check out all my socials. They've been up in the corner over here this whole time. Down below is going to be everything else. I really appreciate you. Check out my Twitch. Check out my Twitter. And please, like I said, tell your friends and share. That's how I can keep making these videos. If this helped you out at all, please let me know. Make one of those reply videos or something. I don't know. Make your own video showing me how you made it maybe and tag me. But alright everybody, thank you so much. Good night. Have a great time.